here is the final round. You want to say hi again?
Hola.
Right now, Nick is in the lead.
Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Bitch. Oh, fuck you too. Get the fuck away from my spawn. Push up. Dirty. Fuck you. I'll stick it in your. Ah, fuck. Dark? Oh, fucking knife. I always get fucking knife. Oh, I don't care if you have it. I already have a couple.
Yeah, so we sat down to eat and I went to use my butter knife.
I just like giving you guys a good challenge, you know?
Butter knife. Oh, that food was good though.
Nice, nice.
Wow.
Homemade.
So many kills.
I got a multi-kill last game. You should have seen
Nice.
it.
Chocolate cake.
Did you see that? Alicia, I got a multi-kill last game.
Nice. You're doing epic. Fucking wall bang him.
Want to give your dad that big man piece of cake. He's like, I want a man. I am on man.
Oh, you fucking
Oh!
Fuck you!
Oh.
Fuck you!
We got it for 20.
Okay, I'm gonna total up the points.
That was awesome, though.
Right now, your mini man, I'm gonna give you the camera because we're gonna
That was
still
fucking
keep
damaged
recording.
from,
Wait, what am I doing?
Joe.
You're just still recording.
Am I recording Nick?
Okay, so it's little man
Nick.
and Morris and you. So that gives him 10 and Morris 8 and you 6. So Nick gets 6 points, Morris gets 8 points, and little man gets 10 points. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Shut up, yes, I'm counting with my fingers. 18 minus 2 is 24. So, little man Jake is the winner.